Painting gutters and downspouts to blend with or accent your house trim can transform curb appeal and reduce visual clutter. Start by thoroughly cleaning metal gutters and downspouts with a trisodium phosphate solution or a dedicated cleaner to remove oxidation, mildew, and loose paint. Then rinse and let them dry completely to ensure adhesion. Lightly abrade the surface with a maroon scuff pad or fine grit sandpaper until it loses gloss. This creates a mechanical key for primer and paint. For aluminum or galvanized metal, use a self-etching primer or a zinc-rich primer for steel to prevent corrosion. And for copper or coated metals, choose a primer compatible with that substrate. Always check manufacturer specifications. When replacing rather than painting, choose coil-coated gutters and downspouts because the factory coating bonds to metal in a process that gives superior longevity and color retention compared with field-applied paints. Apply 2 thin coats of a high-quality exterior acrylic latex paint designed for metal, brushing into seams and fasteners, and allow full flash times between coats to avoid trapping solvents. Paint downspouts to match the trim for a cohesive look, or match the body for a low contrast finish. And avoid painting vented or perforated sections that are designed to shed heat or allow airflow, since clogging those openings can cause moisture problems or reduced heat dissipation. Common mistakes include skipping proper surface preparation, which leads to peeling and flaking. Fix this by always cleaning, degreasing, and abrading before priming. Another frequent error is using the wrong primer or paint system, which causes corrosion or poor adhesion. Resolve this by matching primer chemistry to the metal substrate and using coatings rated for exterior metal exposure. A third issue is painting over vented or heat dissipating sections and sealing seams too tightly, which can trap moisture or heat. Avoid painting perforations and preserve drainage and expansion gaps, and resecure or replace worn fasteners and sealants to maintain system movement. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like painting gutters and downspouts, so we can find local pros and discuss approach, materials, and cost trade-offs. Our site includes a discussion community where we share real-world tips and homeowners and contractors can ask questions and compare experiences.